The world is a mirror, reflecting your feelings and thoughts. Neville Goddard. Life often feels like a constant chase for our desires and dreams. But what if you knew that everything you want has already begun its journey toward you? It's a powerful thought, suggesting that the universe is already aligning to fulfill your desires. In this video, we will explore how to recognize this truth and align yourself with the abundance that is on its way. The law of attraction is a principle that suggests that like attracts like. What you focus on, you attract into your life. This means that your thoughts and feelings have a direct impact on what you bring into your reality. By understanding this law, you can harness its power to manifest your desires effortlessly. Every thought you think sends a signal to the universe. When you focus on positive outcomes and envision your dreams as already achieved, you create a magnetic pull that draws those very things toward you. This is the foundation of attracting what you desire into your life. Imagine the energy you put into your thoughts. If you dwell on negativity or lack, that's what you'll attract. Conversely, when you shift your focus to abundance and positivity, you open the door to receive more of that in your life. It's about shifting your mindset to one of gratitude and abundance. Visualizing your goals is an effective tool in this process. By picturing what you want, you send a clear message to the universe. Visualization activates your subconscious mind, which begins to work towards turning those visions into reality. It's not just daydreaming, it's a powerful act of creation. You can enhance your visualization practice by feeling the emotions associated with achieving your desires. How would it feel to have everything you've ever wanted? Allow yourself to truly experience those feelings as you visualize. This emotional connection is what makes your intentions more powerful. Another essential aspect is belief. You must believe that what you desire is possible for you. This means letting go of doubt and accepting the idea that you deserve all the good that life has to offer. When you cultivate a strong belief in your worthiness, you align yourself with the reality you wish to create. Affirmations are another tool you can use to reinforce this belief. By repeatedly affirming positive statements about yourself and your desires, you reprogram your subconscious mind. This practice helps eliminate negative self-talk and builds a strong foundation for manifesting your dreams. The energy of gratitude plays a vital role as well. Expressing gratitude for what you currently have and for what's on its way creates a positive vibration. Gratitude helps you stay aligned with abundance and attracts even more blessings into your life. Surrounding yourself with positivity is essential too. The people, environments, and media you engage with influence your energy. By choosing to surround yourself with uplifting and supportive influences, you create an atmosphere conducive to manifesting your desires. As you set on this journey of manifestation, recall that patience is key. Sometimes, what you want takes time to materialize. Trust the process and stay committed to your vision. The universe is always working behind the scenes to align the right circumstances for you. Don't forget to take inspired action along the way. While the law of attraction emphasizes thoughts and feelings, taking steps toward your goals is crucial. These actions should feel natural and aligned with your desires. When you act with purpose, you demonstrate to the universe that you're ready to receive. Always keep your mind open to the possibilities. Sometimes, what you want may arrive in unexpected ways. Being receptive allows you to recognize opportunities that align with your desires, even if they don't look exactly how you imagined. Trust that everything you need is finding its way to you. Alignment is crucial in the process of manifestation. It means being in harmony with your desires and the energy you wish to attract. When you're aligned, your thoughts, emotions, and actions work together, creating a powerful force that draws your desires closer. To achieve alignment, it's essential to practice self-awareness. Regularly check in with your thoughts and feelings. Are they supporting your desires or creating doubt? By maintaining awareness, you can consciously choose to shift your focus to thoughts that empower you. Meditation is a helpful practice for achieving alignment. Taking time to quiet your mind allows you to connect with your inner self. In this space of stillness, you can gain clarity about your desires and intentions, fostering a deeper connection to what you want. Trust your intuition. Your gut feelings often guide you toward what's best for you. By listening to this inner voice, you can make choices that align with your true desires, bringing you closer to what you seek. Alignment involves being true to yourself. When you honor your authentic self and your desires, you create a magnetic energy that attracts what you want effortlessly. It's about being genuine in your journey and allowing your true essence to shine. Trust is a vital element in the manifestation process. Believing that what you want is on its way can sometimes be challenging, especially when faced with obstacles or delays. Trust is what allows you to surrender control and open yourself to receiving. When you trust the process, you release the need to control every outcome. This shift allows you to relax and enjoy the journey, knowing that the universe is working in your favor. It cultivates a sense of peace, reducing anxiety about when or how your desires will manifest. Affirming your trust regularly can help reinforce this belief. Remind yourself that you are on the right path and that everything is unfolding as it should. With this mindset, you create space for new opportunities and possibilities to enter your life. Sometimes, the universe needs time to align the right circumstances for your desires. Remaining patient during these times can strengthen your trust. Delays can often serve as blessings in disguise, leading you towards something even better than you initially imagined. Trusting the process also means being open to change. The path to your desires may not always be straightforward. Accept the twists and turns, knowing they are part of your growth and are ultimately guiding you to where you need to be. Gratitude is a powerful catalyst for attracting what you want. When you express appreciation for your current circumstances, you raise your vibration and align with abundance. This positive energy creates a magnetic pull that draws more good into your life. Incorporating a daily gratitude practice can help you stay focused on what you have rather than what you lack. This shift in perspective opens the door for new opportunities and blessings to flow in. It's about training your mind to see the good in every situation. As you cultivate gratitude, you'll notice that your desires manifest more effortlessly. This practice shifts your energy, making it easier for the universe to align with your intentions and bring what you want closer to you. While thoughts and feelings are essential in manifestation, taking inspired action is equally important. This means acting on the opportunities that present themselves, even if they require stepping out of your comfort zone. Inspired action feels different from forced action. It's about following your intuition and responding to the energy around you. When you take steps that align with your desires, you signal to the universe that you're ready to receive. Listening to your instincts can guide you toward actions that will lead to your desires. Trust yourself and take those steps, no matter how small. Each action brings you closer to the life you envision. Being open to possibility is essential for attracting what you want. The universe is full of surprises, and sometimes, what you seek may arrive in unexpected ways. By accepting the unknown, you allow room for creativity and new opportunities. When you limit yourself to specific outcomes, you may miss out on better possibilities. Instead, approach your desires with an open heart and mind. This openness enables you to recognize and seize opportunities as they arise. Accepting possibility also means trusting that the universe knows what's best for you. Allowing this trust to guide you can lead to experiences that surpass your expectations, ultimately bringing you closer to your dreams. Taking time to reflect on your journey can provide valuable insights. Consider the progress you've made and the lessons you've learned along the way. This self-reflection helps you appreciate your growth and recognize the signs that what you want is indeed on its way. Journaling is a great way to capture your thoughts and feelings. Writing down your experiences can help you gain clarity about your desires and the changes you wish to see in your life. It serves as a reminder of how far you've come. Reflecting also allows you to adjust your approach if necessary. If you find yourself struggling, use this time to reassess your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Making minor adjustments can lead to significant changes in your manifestation journey. Manifestation is a continuous journey, not a destination. It's about growing and evolving as you attract your desires. Each step you take brings new lessons and opportunities, enriching your experience. As you accept this journey, celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Recognizing your achievements helps reinforce your belief in the process and your ability to attract what you want. The universe is always listening and aligning with your intentions. Trust that what you want has already found its way to you, and remain open to receiving it in all its forms. Everything you desire is already on its way to you. By understanding the law of attraction and aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, you create a powerful magnet for your dreams. Accept gratitude, take inspired action, and trust the process. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more insights on manifesting your desires and living your best life.